Hello, American College designees in good standing. What you see on screen is the development version of the new YourAdvisorGuide.com. We're really proud of this new website, an interactive search tool for your prospective clients to search for a college-educated designee who aligns their financial goals with your expertise and credential. I want to show you for a few seconds what the quiz tool looks like on the new YourAdvisorGuide.com. A consumer that comes to this page, perhaps they find it organically or they're drawn in by the new consumer and awareness campaign that launches this fall. They can, if they want, just search by location. So they can add a zip code into here and they could search a radius of, say, 50 miles, and they could search for a college-educated designee just by location. They agree to the terms and conditions, but say they want to go further and align their priorities, their assets, and their income with your expertise and business structure. They would go to the next screen, which talks about their financial priorities. They can choose more than one, but remember, we have aligned your designation with their financial priorities. Unlike other search tools where every advisor says they offer every service under the sun, and while that may be true in some instances, we believe aligning your credentialed expertise with their priorities is the best way to find a good match. So say I'm a consumer and I say I'm interested in retirement income planning and financial planning. I then go to the next screen, which asks approximately how much investable wealth I have. And say I have 500,000 to 749,999. Go to the next screen. What is my household income? We'll say 200,000 to 249,999. And that will spit out these results. For college-educated advisors, you see Henry Fox here as the CHFC and the RICP. He's located within 50 miles in Bluebell. The individual can then view Henry Fox's advisor profile, where you can see key matches. You can also see Henry's office location, his expertise, the designations he holds, along with a little description of what that designation actually means to the client. The minimum assets of individuals or households he serves, minimum income, the languages he speaks. And if that client is interested or prospective client is interested, they could type in here their first name, last name, email, phone number, and any additional comments, agree to terms or use, and this form will go directly to Henry is a lead or prospective client that Henry could reach out to for further information. This dynamic search tool, where you can just search by location or search by areas important to the client, their priorities, their assets, their income, and aligning that with your credentialed expertise is really what sets YourAdvisorGuide.com apart. Thanks for listening.
Expand your opportunities at TheAmericanCollege.edu.